My name's Amanda Burton. I'm the meeting planner for the Presbyterian Church in America, and I plan our annual gathering, the General Assembly. It's where church leaders and pastors from all over our denomination gather to discuss things going on in our denomination and vote on business. We also have spouses and family that come and join and do activities around the city and go exploring. We have really enjoyed being here. St. Louis has been a really great city to us. You guys have wonderful things to offer, and you're large enough to have things like a beautiful zoo and art museum and the arch, historic monuments like that, but you're not so big that it's intimidating and people don't feel comfortable getting around. It's a perfect size for our event. We have heard that everyone is really enjoying being here. They feel like the facility is great. It's easy to get around, spread out and spacious, but yet they aren't walking, 2 miles to get from one room to another. And I know that they have been out and about in the city. We originally thought we were going to have a regular assembly in 2021. COVID would be gone. And then we turned around and were able to do sort of what I'm calling a hybrid, where we are still providing socially distanced seating and pathways for people that want it and need it. And on your website, you just have so many resources about where to eat, how far it is, what area you're looking to go in. And our guys love to eat. They love to eat good food. They love to drink good coffee. They like to have experiences. And so having things like that offered to us, I didn't ask for that. That was a game changer for us. They need to know that if they come to this community, they will be taken care of. They will have someone guiding them how to best utilize your city, how to experience the city, how to function in your city, and how to make their event go as planned. And whatever that might look like, every event's different, but you guys have the resources to tailor to our event, to tailor to each event. That was, I think, another thing. It wasn't just, here's all these resources that don't apply to you. It's, oh, this is what your folks are looking for. This is one of our record number of attendees that we've ever had before. So people were excited to get back together and be together and meet, and I know that they've enjoyed St. Louis. We've heard lots of positive feedback. We would definitely come back, definitely. You guys made the meeting process in what I am calling a very unprecedented, unexpected year as smooth as I could possibly imagine.